viewers, how are you? Welcome to Historical Places Muthu Travel Channel. Today I am going to tell about Pradosham story. Customers to this channel should subscribe to the channel before the watching video. Click on the bell button below and my videos will be notified immediately. Pradosham is time present between 1.5 hours before and after the sunset. Pradosham is a combination of two words. Pra means remove and dosha means sins. That is time that remove sins. Pradosham story. In order to know why the Pradosha Muhurta is immense important, it is good to know the story behind it. This story is related to Ashira Sheikh and Madanamardi carrying of the Milky Ocean. Once God and Demo started the Milky Ocean too. Once gods and demons started to can the Milky Ocean obtained the immortal nectar or amrita. During the canning process, a deadly poison named Alagala come out and destroyed whatsoever is present before it. By seeing the destruction caused by the Alagala, the Deva and Asura panicked and ran to the Kailasa, the abode of great Shiva, for help. Looking at the plight and prayers of mercy by Devas and Asuras, great god Shiva moved and ordered Sundara, one of his attendants, to bring the Alagala and gave him all the power to do so. Sundara, with the powers obtained, rolled all the dark poison into a small ball that looks similar to the jamun fruit and brought it before the god Shiva. This is the reason why Sundara is usually called as Alagala Sundara. Even in that situation, the Alagala itself had burned down everything near it, also unable to bear its immense heat. Devas and other beings fled away, pitied. Seeing this, Rishabha Deva, the bull itself, has burned down everything near it, also unable to bear its immense need. Devas, other beings fled away, pitied. By seeing this, Rishabha Deva, the bull of God Shiva, protected by giving the shelter under his own tongue by stretching it out. Great god Shiva then swallowed the Alagala and kept in his throat and protected all the world. And due to this action, god Shiva's throat became blue colored. Hence the name Nilaganda, the one with the blue throat. On gratitude, Devas started offering their prayer to god Shiva. Then god Shiva said to them, the one who protected them at first was his Rishabha or Nandi, so said to offer the same prayer to him to along with him. Rishabha Deva thanked god Shiva, thereby protecting the Devas. Happened on a Triyodasi day, just before the time of sunset, and in specific on a Saturday. That is why the Pradosham becomes very important, and it is the reason behind the worship of god Shiva and Nandi at once during this time. Hence, Pradosham is considered more auspicious, especially on Triyodasi and also on Saturdays. Also, the god Shiva then performed a dance by standing in between the horns of Rishabha or Nandi and gave his blessing to all the beings. Pleased by this heavenly sight of god Shiva, all the gods praised in their own interested ways for his merciful nature, like goddess Saraswati playing veena, god Indra playing flute, god Vishnu playing mridanga, goddess Lakshmi by singing, god Brahma by cymbals, so on, further obtaining by the grace of god Shiva. Later, god Shiva also gave a boon that whomsoever worship him along with the Rishabha Nandi in this Pradosha time will get their fulfilled. Pradosham types: Nitya Pradosham, Paksha Pradosham, Mesa Pradosham, Varsha Pradosham, Yuga Pradosham, Nitya Pradosham, the Pradosham that comes daily. Paksha Pradosham, that comes every is a day on Triyadasi Tithi. Mesha Pradosham, that occur on the second Triyadasi of the month. Varsha Pradosham, that come every year before the day of the Mahashivaratri. Yaga Pradosham, the Pradosham come on the end of the Yuga. Monday is referred as Soma Pradosham. Pradosha Virada. Pradosha Virada is the to be taken on the Triyadasi days for the worship of the god Shiva. This Virada is usually done by fasting, worshipping and visiting the Shiva temple in the Pradosham time of the day. Shani and Soma Pradosham Virats are considered very sacred. During the Triyadasi days, devotees who follow the Viradam should take a head bath early in the morning and do fasting for whole day, and who cannot fast the entire day can do till Pradosham time. After visiting the temple or worshipping in home after Pradosham, the devotees who do the Virada can eat uncooked eatable like fruits. Pradosha Puja. In general, the darshan or puja that happen early in the morning is considered an auspicious. However, in temple of god Shiva, the puja or darshan that takes place during evening also have equal importance along with the morning. One of all pujas in Shiva temple, Pradosha Puja, has a special puja as a special place. During this time, abhishekams are performed to great god Shiva and Lord Rishabhavagana or Nandi at that time. Later continues with the procession Utsava Vikraham around the temple. So I kindly request you to come to Shiva on Pradosham and receive the grace of God Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya. Like this video and share it with your friends and relatives. New channel viewers, subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon below. My heartful thanks to everyone who watched this video.